Are you riding?
Hey guys, so we are going to start a vlog channel because our lives are so interesting. And don't mind my hair.
They are interesting.
So basically, she's gonna vlog herself in Oahu and I'm gonna vlog myself here on Kauai.
We're gonna compare our lives.
Yeah, and then when she comes home for breaks, we'll vlog together like this one. So this is gonna be our first vlog. And we are going to the beach tomorrow, so we have to prep. So right now we're about to boil some eggs to make some egg sandwiches, and yeah, and it's kind of late, but oh well. Cracked.
You're lying. Well, it was cracked when we got it then. We have to throw it away now.
Yeah, we didn't even look.
Yeah, I know.
Try it.
One egg down, killers.
Ew. Okay guys, life hack. Put the egg in a spoon like this and just drop it. What?
We forgot to time it.
10 minutes right now.
Let's just do a transition. Boop. No, that wasn't good. Okay. Bye, guys. Then we're just gonna do that. Yeah. We're doing fun facts first. We're doing fun. Okay. Riddles. Where does Friday come before Thursday?
I don't know.
In the dictionary.
So knowing us, we cracked a few eggs, but
It's okay.
we're gonna try and post as much as we can. But we're gonna have like school and sports life, so don't expect an everyday vlog.
Okay, but guys,
Just like when interesting stuff happens, like if we go on an adventures.
okay, but guys, we don't have cameras.
Oh yeah, so you're gonna have to deal with the iPhone quality.
Yeah, until we can afford one. But
So subscribe.
we're gonna just.
Where's the spoon?
You keep telling me it's
Over. Just boiled the eggs / scrambled the eggs.
Yeah, we have to work on our vlogging skills. By the way, oh, don't burn my press it. You see that? Where's the yolk? Let's talk about like the best places on Kauai to go.
Okay.
Pearl Market is number one.
There's like good acai bowls. Aloha Aina.
Yeah,
And
Kailea
Kopi.
juice.
I never ate there.
I just know it's good.
Is it? No.
Oh, Banana Joe's. I think that's what it's called. It's next to the Kilauea Golf Course. Oh, and the golf course? Yeah.
Wailua Shave Ice.
That's really good.
Honolulu Pier, Port Holly Beach. Hey guys, so we're going to the store right now. We have these pretty girls here. And yeah.
Your voice.
So check in with you guys later. Do we need?
Let's get this one. Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Right there.
Oh my gosh, this is weird. People like watching me vlog. Okay.
Yeah, this is how it feels when people are in the mainland. I want these.
Hey guys, so we just got to the beach and it's raining. And
the R word.
It's raining. It is.
so we're here with these cool cats.
A-Town, A-Town, Northside.
Yup. This is
It's how you know it is. What did Makayo say? Makayo's like,
Vlog sucks.
what's up, guys?
It's a vlog.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
Hey.
Taylor's vlog here.
Hey. Okay, so we forgot to end the vlog because we're new to this. So,
Oh my god.
ah.
Like.
What do you mean?
Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna be posting another one if we edit it in time.
Yeah, but first, this is pretty much edited.
We just
It's a little rusty, I
Yeah.
know, but just accept it, okay? It will get better, I promise you guys.
not with my phone though. My phone, my camera is cracked.
But like
and my
summer
camera's
is
cracked
almost
over here.
over, and so we're gonna vlog as much as we can together. Yeah.
So goodbye. We should have like a ending.
Okay. I don't know. You know how they have like those signature intros and outros? Oh.
What?
I probably haven't brushed my hair in like about a month, but it's okay.
Like,
Comment.
subscribe.
Wait, no. No, it's comment down below. You say comment, I say
Yeah,
down.
you said it
So
wrong.
it's like.
You should subscribe. I say like. You
Oh,
say subscribe. Okay. Like
Subscribe
and comment.
down below.
See you guys later.
Peace.